name is Mike, and I've been blessed and entrusted with leading the direction at WeatherWeld, and that puts me in a unique position to talk directly to you about the 40-year NDL leak-free warranty. Because every WeatherWeld roof includes a 40-year leak-free warranty that covers the entire system. Not just the materials and not just portions of the assembly. The full roof system is protected against leaks for the full term. If the roof system leaks, it's simple. We diagnose it and we repair it. It's not prorated coverage and it's not material only. It's system level protection. And the reason that we can stand behind that claim is simple. The real warranty isn't on the paper. It's in the system itself. Because WeatherWeld is a 1/4 of an inch thick, seamless reinforced membrane that's designed to make your roof like a bathtub and be installed from the top of the parapet wall to the bottom of the drain. The 40-year term exists largely because public agencies require a defined number for procurement, but WeatherWeld was intentionally designed to be leak-free for the lifetime of your buildings with proper maintenance. If a leak is reported, a WeatherWeld employee responds. We perform a full diagnostic, we document the issue, we reproduce the roof leak, and we resolve it. If temporary protection is required, it's installed immediately, and permanent repairs are completed as conditions allow. Our warranty is intentionally straightforward. It includes standard exclusions for things that are outside of our control, but does not rely on technical loopholes to deny coverage under normal building use. A lot of times there's confusion from competitors intentionally about WeatherWeld's warranty when it comes to reflective coatings. The membrane, the 1/4 of an inch thick fiberglass reinforced layer, is the waterproofing in every WeatherWeld system. Reflective coatings are separate. They provide energy savings and support Title 24 compliance. That's the white coating that's on top of WeatherWeld. Those are two different functions. When it comes to the 40-year leak-free warranty, one does not affect the other. The reflective coating has its own 12-year manufacturer warranty against chip, flake, and peel and does not need to be recoated or maintained for the 40-year warranty to remain in effect. We separate waterproofing from reflectivity, so there's no confusion on what protects your building. At WeatherWeld, the warranty reflects how we operate. When you install a WeatherWeld roof, we treat your roof like it's our own. We take responsibility for its performance for the life of the building, so you could focus on running it and not worrying about your roof.